Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to buy a domain, launch a website, or upgrade your hosting in 2025, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to give you the newest and best GoDaddy promo codes for 2025, along with a special discount link in the description that automatically applies the strongest deal available. So if you want to save big, make sure to stick around until the end. Now, GoDaddy is one of the most popular domain registrars and hosting platforms in the world. Whether you're starting a business, building a personal brand, or launching an online store, GoDaddy gives you everything you need: domains, hosting, SSL certificates, email, and website builders, all in one place. And the good news is, with the right promo codes, you can save a lot more than what GoDaddy normally advertises. So let's jump straight into the latest GoDaddy coupon codes for 2025. Use new24 to save up to 50% on selected hosting plans. Try GDD30 off to get a flat 30% off on many GoDaddy products, including domains and hosting. You can use SF35DOM for up to 40% off hosting, plus an extra 15% discount at checkout. And if you're buying SSL certificates, LA20 gives you 20% off. These codes change often, so if one doesn't work, simply try another. And remember, the special link in the description automatically updates with the best available GoDaddy discount, so you never miss a deal. If you really want to maximize your savings, here's a quick pro tip. Choose multi-year plans whenever possible. The longer your plan, the more you save, and your discount stretches across the entire term. Also, GoDaddy tends to drop even bigger discounts around major events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so that's the perfect time to stack deals with these promo codes. All right, that's it for today. If you want to grab the best GoDaddy deals of 2025, make sure to click that special discount link in the description and apply the promo codes I mentioned. If this helped you save some money, hit the like button, subscribe for more money saving guides, and let me know in the comments what kind of website you're building this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.